Hello, and welcome to our channel. These are the 20 multiple-choice preposition quiz. You have to answer each question in 10 seconds, or you can pause the video for more time. Good luck! The cat jumped over the fence. The book is on the shelf. We need to arrive at the airport before our flight leaves. I walked in the street to get to the store. The meeting is in the conference room. He's very interested in music. They drove over the bridge to get to the other side of the river. The box is on the table, but I can't see what's inside. She was born in a small town in the mountains. The bird flew towards the tree and landed on a branch. I prefer to go to the park on sunny days. She always sits in the front row in class. The keys are on the table. We need to be at the airport by 7 p.m. The cat is hiding on the sofa. The concert starts at 8 p.m. I'm going on vacation next week. The store is at the corner of Main Street. She's been working on that project for weeks. They live on the 3rd floor of the building. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting quizzes.